Have you tried IOD stamps? It's so easy to use, and I'm going to show you how you can upcycle old boring coasters to suit your decor. I'm Karen, the owner of Rustic River Home, and I'm based here in sunny Queensland, Australia. I have these coasters I want to change up a bit, so I'm going to start off by painting over the current design with Fusion Mineral Paint. Because I'm using a light color paint, I need 2 to 3 coats of paint to cover it. The paint is completely dry and I'm going to use 2 stamps today, the IOD's Crockery stamp and the IOD's Vintage Texture stamp. I have cut the stamps apart to make it easy to work with, so when you cut it apart, leave it on the backing sheet. That makes it easy to use. I'm using IOD's black ink on an IOD Ink Pad. I'm loading the stamp with the ink and carefully positioning the stamp without moving it and gently rubbing the back to make contact with the surface. I'm adding some crackling effect on the coasters with the crackle part of the stamp. For this part, I'm using the stone grey ink because I don't want it to be too dark. The Vintage Texture stamp has 4 parts to it with different effects. The stamping is all dry and I'm now adding some Fusion's aging wax to distress the entire coaster. I apply it with a paintbrush and wiping off the excess with a paper towel. The top coat I'm using today is Pentart's Pouring Glaze, and again I'm just using a brush to apply a generous layer. All the products I used today is listed in the description below. And that is it. See how easy it is to use the IOD stamps? You can watch more coaster makeovers on my channel using other IOD products and decoupage paper. Thank you for watching, and please leave a comment or give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to follow me for more DIY projects. Till next time.